Hello and welcome back to our Azure Policies series. In the second episode, we'll dive into the hands-on aspects of Azure Policy implementation. Building on the fundamental understanding we provided last time, we'll explore how to effectively assign built-in policies, and further, craft custom ones to tailor governance according to our specific needs. Join us as we navigate the practical side of Azure Policy, empowering you to manage and govern your Azure environment. Let's jump in. First, we'll select a built-in policy that enforces the assignment of a tag on resources within a resource group scope. In the definitions section, we can search for it, add or replace a tag on resources. Once found, we click on it to view the policy code, which is written in JSON language. At the top, you can find different properties of the policy. Next, there are the parameters required to accomplish the job. In our current rule, we have two parameters, the tag name and the tag value. Finally, you find the policy rule, where you define the logical part through the condition and the action, called here effect. If the concept is still unclear, don't worry, we'll clarify every detail in the next part. Let's assign it now to the scope resource group, which exists, of course, under the subscription one. There is no exclusions, so let's assign the values of the parameters. The tag name is test, and the tag value is yes. For example, we create the assignment, but we will leave the test till the end of the video after creating our custom policy, which should forbid the creation of a virtual machine if the tier is outside a predefined list. We determine first the location of our rule, which is the subscription. Let's give it the name control VM SKU, because this is its job. Category monitoring. Let's start with the parameter that we're gonna call allowed SKUs. We have to determine the allowed values, which are these ones. Let's modify the metadata in order to clarify our root job. Now let's go to the policy rule. We have to add the all of section because we will have multiple conditions. First condition is the selection of the type of resource, because we want to apply this rule only for virtual machines. So the type should equals virtual machines. The second condition is the absence of the SKU from the list we provided in the parameter. So the field is virtual machine SKU name, like that. And the SKU name should not be included in the provided list. In this case, the program should deny the creation of the virtual machine. So let's assign it now to the same scope, my resource group. No exclusions. Let's select all the parameters values and we create the assignment. Now let's go to check our rules. We're gonna create a virtual machine in my resource group, of course, our scope. Now you can notice that we cannot choose another 𝐔𝐬𝐞𝐬. So the second rule is working very well. Now we're gonna create our virtual machine and check if the tag value and the tag name are assigned or not. Create. We need to wait a little bit. Now let's go to the resource and we can see that the tag is assigned successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and take care of yourself. Goodbye.